Hey there, campers! Here's how you can get the spinning wheel in Outbound. The spinning wheel isn't a blueprint you can unlock through the usual signal towers or landmark terminals. Instead, you'll only find it inside Sunbeam Acres Farm, located on the easternmost side of the first map, which you can only access after upgrading your camper van's motor. Once you arrive at the farm, stop at this small shed right here before heading toward the center of the area. Go inside and pick up the password databank located on the table beside the crop plot. Next, return to your van and drive over to the farmhouse. On the right side of the house, you'll find a small chair beside a lamp. Sitting on the table next to it is the signal decryptor. After picking that up, leave the house and head over to the barn on the opposite side of the farm. Once inside the building, turn right and you'll find the terminal executable resting on a table with a blue mat. After collecting it, move to the opposite side of the barn to find the terminal itself. By the time you interact with the terminal, you should already have all the required key items, allowing you to download the spinning wheel blueprint. Now head back to your van, set up camp, and open the build menu. Go to the Workstations tab, and under the icon with the box and rotating arrows, you'll find the spinning wheel. Simply build it on top of any counter using 10 fiber, and that's basically all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more straightforward guides. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.